Hello, good morning. Yes, sunrise is right behind me. What a special time of the day. Just being able to say good morning, welcome the Creator, all of the blessings that will happen in this day. So I'm here because I would love to invite you to something which is very dear and close to my heart, which is a trip to the Amazon Rainforest. This May, first week in May, we will be going to the Amazon Rainforest, spending a couple of days there, and this is a healing journey. So after that, if you have always had Machu Picchu on your bucket list, there will also be an opportunity to go to Machu Picchu. I cannot tell you how amazing it is to be in the center of the Amazon Rainforest. All of the plants, the energy out there. Breathtaking and almost impossible to put into words. So this truly is a healing journey, reconnecting with yourself, and please feel free, ask me any questions, schedule a time with me, and we will connect. Many blessings. Have a wonderful day.